After a nice early morning start exploring the beaches south of Ha Tinh, I ran into bad weather. Very foggy and misty, and I get completely wet. And the phone got wet and died. Yeah, dead. Yeah, that's not good. That's really not good. I had no idea where to go, but a local boy offered to take me to fix it. One foot. Come on. Yeah, so fuck. Change of plans. I mean, I'll still go look at the beach, but after that I'll go and find a place to try and fix the phone if it's possible. If not, oh, I'm in big trouble. I mean, yeah, it's not good. Hey, but look at this beautiful beach. Beautiful. The boy wants me to come after him, and he's gonna take me to a place where they might fix my phone. There is the boy. I'll just follow him. I really doubt that they can help me here, but who knows, they might have a whiz technician. Also, I actually think this phone is beyond repair. Had problems from before. And then we arrived at the boy's cousin's house in a village nearby. Apparently he fixes phones on the side, and here he is checking my phone out. Có tiếng không không? Có tiếng. Cháy màn hình không tiếng. Looks like you cannot fix it. Điện thoại chết không?
Điện thoại không chết, màn hình cháy.
Và có thể sửa chữa nào không?
Sửa thì thay màn nhưng ở đây không có màn này.
Và có thể làm gì? Có thể làm gì?
Về Hà Nội. Hà Nội hoặc Sài Gòn. Hà Nội hoặc Sài Gòn sửa. Hà Nội hoặc Sài Gòn có màn này.
Xa quá.
Ông nói được tiếng Anh không? English. Can you speak English?
I can speak English.
Okay.
Can you speak English?
Yeah, I can.
You can?
Yeah.
Oh, so why do I break my teeth with Vietnamese?
Yeah,
so let's see, what's your name? Tuan. So let's see what we can get here, because I have no choice. Otherwise, no Google Maps. But Tuan here is giving me a phone, broken but good.
Yeah.
So I can continue on with the trip, at least with Google Maps, so I don't get lost on the way. And when then become friends on Facebook, and we had a very good talk now about life. I couldn't record everything. He's a captain of a ship, and he speaks good English. In this village, it's very surprising to find somebody that can speak English. What's this?
You can.
Friend?
You can write.
Yeah, friend.
Facebook.
My Facebook. Okay. And I have to thank him a lot, because otherwise I would have gotten stuck. Yeah, so try to charge with the cable also the Osmo, and apparently it's dead also. So not only the phone, but that means that this cable was probably wet because of the rain, and it killed both the phone and now the Osmo action, and I'm fucked. And Twy here was nice enough to give me at least a phone so I can continue a little bit farther, probably to Dong Hoi, and then take the train and leave, go back to Hanoi, because everything is messed up now. Trouble. Yeah, this is why I don't like highways. The trucks scare me. So due to the unexpected situation of me losing my phone, and unexpectedly also my Osmo Action, which completely uncalled for, I could have avoided it, and the shitty weather, I got on Highway A1 and I'm covering mileage towards Dong Hoi, which I won't make today. It's already 4:15, and I'll see where I can sleep tonight, and I'll see if I continue traveling or how can I fix the situation. Oh, and just think back of how I started the day with a song in my heart in such a positive mood. So beautiful, a song in the heart. How things change so quickly. Anyways, as long as I'm healthy, everything else is just background noise. It doesn't matter. I'll find a place to sleep tonight, and I'll see how I deal with everything tomorrow. Yeah, the whole area is an industrial area, and it looks really shitty. Look at that, everything. I pity the people that live around here. Apparently there are a lot of people living here. People that are workers, they build them their own homes, their own huge blocks for workers. So there is a village here, a huge church, Hoi-An Parish Church on Google Maps. Maybe I'll go inside. There's a village inside. I doubt that there is a Nyangi, but if there is, I'll find a place to sleep. The beach is just behind it, so maybe I'll go take a look at that. Okay, another nice beach. I'm sorry I can't provide walking footage because there is no stabilization on this camera, although there is zoom. The only thing is this ugly looming chimney emitting smoke, polluting the whole area. So this is a nice movie, and it's on the beach, and price is okay. The problem is all the beds are soft mattresses, and I cannot sleep on soft mattresses, and I have really bad experience getting up, like a question mark. So I avoid soft mattresses at all costs if I can avoid it, and since it's still daylight, I will keep on going looking for a different Yangi on the way. So apparently now there's another problem because my phone died, and I cannot show them my vaccination proof. So I need to go and test before they even consider accepting me to the hotels here. So that's a big problem, and that's something I didn't even think about. Yeah, she dressed up like this especially for me, and it's because I'm a foreigner. Okay. Here I got the form that shows that I don't have vaccine. Thank you. And now I have to go and try to find a Nyangi that will take me. So I got my COVID test, went back to the hostel. On the way I see a different place. I decided to check it out since I didn't like the attitude of the people from the other place. And they showed me this nice room. Even a desk, a really nice bed. Same price, $250. But they never asked me for a COVID test. So what the hell? What did I do the COVID test for? Anyways, another thing, I'm filming with the Osmo Action. What happened? I really have no idea, but I'm happy it did. Cause now one less thing to worry about tomorrow when I head off to Dong Hoi. In the next video, day 7, I continue my ride south through more beautiful beaches. This is the Hanoi beach. Not always finding my way around. Apparently I got to a dead end. Well, that's as far as the motorbike will go. Venture into the vast sand dunes for a while and visit some more beach pagodas before I finally arrive at Dong Hoi. If you enjoy this content so far and want to see more, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.